Hello students of grade 5. Hope you are keeping yourself well at home, fit and fine. Okay, today in this video I am going to take up number 3. In your book there are 3 numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3. 2 numbers we have done previously. Now we are going to take up number 3, and that will be from page number 88 to 95. In the first video and second video I will take from page number 96 onward. Along with this same page from 88 to 95, I will send you the PDF in the PPT form. So kindly go through it. Whatever I am not taking up there, I am going to take up here. So today my topic will be numbers in order of size. We have done previously also, but we will just do a revision. Round off, this one also we have done, but we will take up little more. And difference between the two negative numbers and the positive numbers, and true or false statement in the arithmetic law of mathematics. So let's start. Let us first take number in size. Assume these numbers are there: 7.3, 3.7, 0.37, 7.03 and 3.03. In order to make it into size, that is either ascending or descending, that is smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest, what we have to see first? We have to see the numerical first, the numbers first. Here is 7, here is 3, here is 0, here is 7, here is 3. Suppose we are starting from smallest to greatest. So what we are going to see? We are going to see the smallest number. So between all these 5 numbers, which is the smallest number? That is 0. So what we are going to write? 0.37 is smaller than, so this one is done. Next, 7373. There are 2, 3 here, and these are the smallest number. But here is 3.7 and here is 3.03. Now, what we'll do? The numerical number is here 3 same. So we will see the decimal places. So decimal, the 10th place is 7 and here 10th place is 0. So this is smaller. So 3.03, then will come 3.7. Now remains what? 7 and 7. Same way, we are going to check it out. What we are going to check? 7 and 7 numerical is same. So decimal will see 10th place. So 10th place is 3 here and here is 0. Again, this 0 is a smaller number. So we'll take up this next number, next smaller number, 7.03, then and the last 7.3. Same way, if we are going to do greatest to smallest, so we are going to take up in the same way greater number first, then the smaller number and the smallest number. So in this way we will able to finish it up. Now round 2. From this number, let us take up this number 7.03. Let us take this one number. Add some more numbers, 7, 8. 7 and 7.03. Round up, round 2. Suppose we are rounding to 10th or hundredths or ones or tens or 100. Whatever number we are going to round. Suppose the question is round this number to the nearest 10. So which is 10 number? This is ones, this is tens. 8 is tens. So we are going to round this 8. So what we are going to see, as per the rule in numerical number 7, when taking the video I have explained you that we are going to see the next number. So next number is 7. And if this 7 is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then this tens number will not change, will remain same. And if this next number is 5 and more than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this number will increase to one more number, that is 8 will turn to 9. If it is 5, 5 will turn to 6. So this number is 7, that means it is more than 5, that means 8 will turn to 9. So your number will be 7, 9, this number will become 0 and the remaining all the number will become 0, 0. Suppose one number, let us take round 9583 to the nearest 10 or 100. Let us take 100. 10 we have seen here, 100. So which number is 100? Ones, tens, 100. This 5 is 100. So next number is 8. We don't have to see other number. Next number only we have to see. So next number is 8 and 8 is more than 5. That means this 5 will turn to 6 and your number will become what? 9600. And if by chance this one is 4, 9543. Same question, round 9543 to the nearest 100. So ones, tens, 100. 100 is 5. So next number is 4. 4 is less than 5. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is less than 5. That means this 5 will not change as per the rule. So your answer will be 9500. In this way, we are going to round off the numbers to the nearest whatever number they are asking. Now difference between, suppose let us take this example, minus 5 and 1. Difference means minus. We are going to do minus. So difference between minus 5 and minus 1. Whenever we are going to find out difference, first we have to write the bigger number. Between this minus 5 and minus 1, which is the biggest number? Biggest number is minus 1. And we are going to find out difference. Difference means we are going to put minus sign, one more minus sign extra here. And this number is minus 5. So we will put it in bracket. Why? Because two signs we cannot put open together. So what will be the sum here? Minus 1, minus minus will become plus 5. Now minus plus is minus. 5 minus 1 is 4. And which is greater? 5 is greater. 5 is of what sign? Plus sign. So it will be plus. So plus, we don't have to show it. So this will be the answer. Suppose this is plus. Difference between 5 and minus 1. Difference. So between these two numbers, which is greater? 5 is greater because it is positive sign. So 5 is greater. So how we are going to do? 5 minus, again minus 1. So what will become? 5 minus minus plus. 5 plus 1 will become 6. See, the sign changes the whole situation. The whole answer will be different. Whole answer will be different. Whole answer will be changed. Now let us go for law of arithmetic. True and false statement. We will write the same number. Suppose this number is written here. 7 minus 2 into 3 equal to 7 minus 2 into 3. When we are going to do this sum in open, how it will be? As per the rule, BODMAS, multiply first because there is no divide. So multiply first. So multiplying number is this two number is multiplying. So 7 minus 2 3s are 6 equal to 7 minus 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1 equal to 7 minus 6 is 1. So here the statement is true. Now by chance if the same number and we, what will do? We'll change the position by putting the bracket. Here we are putting bracket 2 into 3 and here we are putting bracket 7 minus 2. So as per the rule BODMAS, B comes for bracket and bracket B we are going to do first. So how we are going to do here? 7 minus 2 3s are 6 equal to 7 minus 2, we are getting 5 into 3. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 5 into 3 is 15. You see how fast difference is there. Numbers are same, but when the brackets are in different places, the answer is different. So in this way we are going to do it and you are going to find out the difference between, and by finding out you can say whether the statement is true or false. So here the statement is false. Hope you like this video and keep on practicing this page from 88 to 95. Thank you. Have a nice day.